In this video, I'll show you how to fix a YouTube TV black screen on Roku. I will also show a picture of my dog at the end of this video, which you don't want to miss. Step 1. Reinstall the YouTube TV app. Highlight the YouTube TV app on your Roku home screen. Press the star button on the remote. This will open the options menu and select Remove Channel. Restart your Roku, then reinstall YouTube TV from the channel store. Step 2. Restart Roku. Power off your Roku device, unplug it for 1 minute, then plug it back in and turn it on. Step 3. Check HDMI connection. Ensure your HDMI cables are securely connected and not damaged. Try switching to a different HDMI port or replacing the cable if needed. Step 4. Clear cache. Press home 5 times, up once, rewind twice, fast forward twice on your Roku remote. Your Roku will now restart and clear all temporary data. Step 5. Update your Roku software. Go to Settings, System Update, and then check Now. Install any available updates to improve your app compatibility. Now, if nothing else works, if none of the previous steps works, you maybe have to do a factory reset. Only do this as a last resort. Go to Settings, System, Advanced System Settings, and then Factory Reset. This will erase all settings and apps, so only do this when you truly need it. Step 7. Contact Roku or YouTube support if even a factory reset doesn't work. Contact Roku or YouTube TV customer support for specialized help. And that is how you fix your YouTube TV black screen. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please subscribe, and here's a nice picture of my dog. He's very cute. Bye.